Hi, my name's Camp. Today I'm going to show you how to wrap an extension cord properly so that you can make it compact and you can also hang it up. What we're going to do first is we're going to leave us about 18 inches or so of cord hanging. And we're going to go our full length of our arm with a loop. And another one. And then so on. And we're just going to keep doing it. And as we go, we can twist the cord so that it lies nice and flat. We're almost coming up to the end now. This was a 50-foot cord. So now we're going to leave about this much left, okay, probably 4 feet. We're going to let the plug hang basically 1/2 to 3/4 of the way down to the cord loops. We're going to drop that, we're going to grab it, and we're going to wrap it once, twice, and we're going to pull it up through the center like a chokehold. And now you have an extension cord that is ready to hang up anywhere you want and come apart very easily without tangling up.